What's up?
Oh, you're here already.
What's up now? You sound
Guess what?
I'm not good at that. What is it?
Yes, now.
Babes, calm down. This your suspense will lose weight. Oh. Tell me.
You won't believe this. You won't believe this.
Believe what?
My darling, my sweetheart, the man after my heart is coming into the country.
That's not true, babe.
Which one is that?
You're joking.
Me joke? Do I look like a joke? I am dead serious like a heart attack. Nelson is coming in very soon. He actually called me this morning to tell me the good news. And babes, to crown it all, he told me that he'll be coming into the country in the next 2 days, which happens to be his birthday.
Wow!
Double celebration.
Oh my God! I'm so happy for you, my friend. After 5 years, I know that feeling. Yes!
Oh. Babe, 5 years. 5 lonely years.
Aww.
Babe, I've been celibate for 5 years. It's not easy.
I know that feeling, my friend.
I can't wait to have him in my arms.
Aww. Hey, my friend. Yes. That's a star.
You know, right?
I know. Babes, this call for celebration.
Oh, yes, it does. Oh, yes.
Okay. There's no glass? Let me get glass.
Babe, the truth is, I am confused on what to wear. I need to look colorful for my man. Let me surf the internet and get the best of outfits. Nelson! Oh, I don't like this one. This is nice. So guess what I did today? I fixed the car and I did some shopping. I needed to stock the kitchen because my baby is coming home. I have all your favorites in store. Trust me, all your favorites. Yes, all of them. I got everything. And guess what? I bought your best wine. I know, right? Oh yes, so best believe that you're coming home to get spoiled by me. Oh yes. But babe, you know I love you, right? You know. Just say yes. You know I love you. And you own my heart. You alone has my heart, okay? I don't want you to get off the phone. I'm enjoying the conversation. Please? Okay, if you don't have anything else to say, just snore. Of course, I will listen to you snore. Okay, baby. If you insist, and I'll soon be done with my food, so keep your phone by your side. I'll call you in the next 5 minutes. Bye.
Wow.
Now, wow, what?
Now, wow. No, I will listen.
Yes, so.
You're kidding me. My friend. This relationship is just like yesterday. Baby, sugar is too much, oh, my friend. I envy you. Allow us to breathe.
You will breathe. That reminds me. Who is this man that has been blowing my friend's brains? Oh, yeah, start talking. Who is it?
My friend.
I am listening.
The thing is,
Okay.
don't worry. take a chill pill. He's coming into town very soon. And you meet him one-on-one.
But I thought you said he lives in Abuja.
Oh yeah, he said his friend is coming to the country next week, so he'll be in Lagos.
Oh, he's coming to Lagos. And his friend is equally coming into the country.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, if that's the case, then we can all hang out when they come in.
My friend, all I need is your prayer. Just look at you announcing. I wish this guy and I could be like this.
Sweetheart, no more heartbreak. Okay? And from your mouth to God's ears.
Amen. Just that. Just know that your guy is coming into the country, my friend. I know you don't have my time again.
Oh yes, so I will not have your time. I'm not going to have anyone's time. In fact, I am shutting down from the world. Yes, 1 week indoors.
Come on.
Yes, you heard me right. Loud and clear. What? I mean, 5 years is a long time. Seal it very well. Seal it. You see, the last time Nelson visited Nigeria,
what do we call this over there?
I don't know.
It's a romantic thing to do.
I know.
So occasionally, it's not something I'll do myself over there.
I know, right?
You are so beautiful.
Really.
Yes.
And you are equally handsome.
But for real, you are the best gift God gave to me as a military man.
You have a way with words.
I'm serious.
And you are the best gift God gave to me as well.
I love you so much.
I love you too. But you know I love you more.
I know.
You know, right?
You are a real woman. It's only real women that date military guys.
And you are a real man. And thank you for loving me unconditionally. Let's go. It's...
So you run, I follow. Or you want to?
No.
You tired already?
Stroll.
Okay.
Stroll some more.
So romantic. I can't wait to have him in my arms.
Aww.
Yeah.
Envy you, my friend.
Oh my darling, I know. If I were me, I will envy me as well.
God, that they go.
Yeah, baby. Yes. I'm still at my friend's house. Oh yeah, remember I told you her fiance is coming back tomorrow? So I'm helping her do 1 or 2. She is, she's very, very excited. Yeah, I'm happy for her. Waiting again. And she's my friend. I'm very, very happy for her. Oh yeah, she's doing a whole lot for this dude. She's making different dishes for him. You know how it is. Yeah. Baby, that's how I am going to treat you when you come to Lagos.
Samantha, come and wash the plates.
Silly! Babe, she's calling me. I'll call you back later, alright? Take care of you. Yeah, bye. Babe! Be calming down, no. Be calming down. What is it?
Hi, babe. I'm fine, thank you. How are you? So, what's up? What's up? Oh, apologies. I was in the bathroom. So, what's up again? I'm dying of excitement already. And babe, I'll come pick you up from the airport, okay? You're joking, right? No, tell me you're joking. I don't understand. No, just tell me you're joking. I'm sure you're pulling my legs. What duty call? I thought you said you were done and dusted. I don't wait. I can't hear you loud and clear. I'm trying to understand what's going on. What are you trying to say? That okay, fine. When are you coming? When exactly are you coming in? Six months. In 6 months, Nelson. Nelson, this is unfair. Nelson, this is unfair. This is unfair. This is unfair, Nelson. This is so unfair to me. I've been waiting for you. This is unfair. This is so unfair. This is so unfair. This is so unfair. This is so unfair to me. This is so no. It's been 5 years. It's been 5 years and this is what you tell me.
beautiful night when the night was cold, when it seems there was no hope for me to have your warm embrace. Oh my sugar.
Yeah.
Ooh.
The gate man said she stepped out not quite long.
Looking forward for a lovely rain.
Honestly, I don't know. I don't know why she's not taking my calls. Just calm down. I know my friend, maybe she went out to take some fresh air or even on her way to my house. But let me just wait for her to come. Alright, bye. I'll call you when she comes back. Alright. Where could she be? Kamara, what did you do? Can you imagine? Where did this girl go? Where could she be? How would she go out without her phone? Nothing has been calling.
Hey, easy, easy. Easy. Okay, okay, we are here. We're here. Alright. Alright, just... Hey, I'm coming, okay? Just relax.
It's almost midnight and she's not yet back. This is unlike her. I don't know. I know for sure that she do not go out. She doesn't go out at all. She's an introvert. If not, I would have said, let me go to the bars and look for her. Wait. I think that's what I should do. Hello? Oga Benji? Okay, please, abeg come to that my friend's house. Yes, come there now. Alright. Nelson is calling back. What am I going to say to him? Hello, Nelson? No. She's not yet back. I'm trying to go to the neighborhood to look for her. Yes, I'll call you back. Just calm down. I said I'll call you back. I'll call you back later. Where can this girl go at this hour of the night? Where can she be? This is unlike her. Oh God, where on earth could this girl be at this ungodly hour? I've searched all the bars and clubs around the neighborhood. She's nowhere to be found. Where can she go? Oga Benji! I'm exhausted. Hi, babe. Babe, she's not back. I did not see her. Honestly, I'm very tired. No, the thing is, I'll just wait for her from now till morning. If she did not come back, I'll go to the police station and make a report. What? You are in Lagos. Why did you not tell me you're coming to Lagos? You entered today. It's fine. It's okay. Babe, I'm very stressed out. We'll see tomorrow then. Alright, I love you. Good night. Shit. Ah.
Hi, beautiful one. You're awake?
The guy from the club.
Yes. Samson, that's my name.
What am I doing here? Lying naked in your bed.
You told me to bring you to my house last night.
What?
Yes.
No way, I can't possibly tell a random guy to take me to his house. I can't possibly say that.
Yes. And you asked me to make love to you. Honestly speaking, you're a champ.
Crazy. I was drunk. I was drunk, for Christ's sakes.
Yeah, last night we were drunk.
You took advantage of a drunk woman.
No, you asked for it. I was even surprised, but you're so sweet. I really enjoyed myself last night.
Oh God, my head hurts. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Oh, God.
It's okay.
I can't possibly. I could never have said that to you. To make love to me, a random guy.
A minute. You'll be fine, trust me.
I would never have said that. Kamara, what have you done? What have you done? This has to be my top secret. Making out with a random guy.
Madam, where have you been? Are you not the one I'm talking to? I am talking to you, my friend. Say something.
I went.
You went
down.
to where? Just imagine what you're doing to yourself.
Nelson caused it. Gosh. Nelson caused it.
Nelson caused what? What are you talking about?
He called and cancelled his trip back, saying he had an emergency. What stupid emergency was that? He said he's going to be back in 6 months' time. Babe, 6 months. 6 good months.
Kamara, you decided to go to God knows where and drink yourself. Just look at yourself. Probably sleep inside a gutter, right? After destroying his pictures. Madam!
You did not hear me. Eh? Did you not hear what I said?
What did you say? What are you saying?
What I'm saying is that the news broke me. I was devastated.
Kamara, your guy was just trying to see your reaction. He was just testing you. He was the one that said I should come to this place to look for you. I've been calling you, we've been searching for you, calling you, but you were nowhere to be found. You left your phone in this house.
You're joking, right?
I am not joking. He was just testing you. As we speak, your man is on his way here. If he comes and he will see you like this, a grown-up woman, he will see you like this.
What sort of a silly prank is this?
He wants to surprise you, that's all.
Yes.
Oh, there. Babe. What are you doing here?
Huh?
Okay.
Babe, what are you?
What are you doing here?
Oh, I went to pick my friend from the airport.
Your friend?
Yeah, Nelson is my friend. Nelson?
Yeah.
My girlfriend.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Is she okay?
Yeah. She's fine.
Sorry, bro. Sorry.
Your girlfriend?
Yes.
Wow.
What have I done? Samson, what have you done to yourself? Kamara is Nelson's fiancé. He never told me about this. Oh my goodness. I know we lost contact and we started communicating just 1 month ago. But you never told me about this girl. Not even a single picture was sent to me. And the funny thing now is, she's my girlfriend's best friend. This is strange. What am I going to do now? This is becoming very scary. What am I going to do? Nelson's fiancé.
Hello? Yes, babe. Oh yes, I came home to pick a few things. I will join you shortly. Oh, you're still there? Oh, fine. I'll be with you in no time. All right, baby. All right. Bye.
Baby, please, I'm sorry.
Look, the truth is, I just wanted to surprise you. I didn't plan for you to go this way. I came down for you, you know that. Please. I'm sorry, I called you a couple of times, but you did not pick up. Baby.
Don't touch me.
Nelson. Don't worry, she'll be fine. Just give us a minute. Let me talk to her. All right?
Okay, I'll be outside.
All right. It's fine. Babe. Babe. Kamara, please. Just calm down, okay? Can you hear me?
Samantha,
Yes.
kindly tell Nelson to leave this premises. I don't want to ever see him again.
What?
I am done.
Babe, why are you making a big deal out of this? Yes, Nelson loves you. He only wanted to surprise you, that's all. Please, just find a place in your heart to forgive him. He called and called and called, but you never picked his calls. Please. Hmm?
Are you not going to say anything to me?
Gosh.
Look, Samson, I'm begging you. I need you to come in now. Okay, I need you more than ever. I need you to beg Kamara for me. I don't know, she threw me out of her house. Bro, I just wanted to surprise her. You know how these things go. And look at what it's turning out to be. Just
Are you serious? She asked you to leave her house.
I'm in a hotel as we speak. I didn't want to inconvenience you.
Wow.
And the house I'm paying for in Lekki, I'm done paying, but I don't want to move in now. I wanted to move in after our wedding, right?
Yes, you told me.
That was why I came back. I just wanted to surprise her, get married to her, then take her out of this country. But look at how this thing is turning out. It's crazy.
It's crazy. It's very crazy. It's crazy.
I
But I don't know what I don't even know what to say right now or what to do. But what do you think?
And the ironical thing is, your girl is her best friend.
Yes, they are best friends. And I didn't even know they are best friends. I just met this girl a month ago.
Yeah, you told me. You told me.
Yes. So what do you do now? You just have to stay in the hotel now.
Guy,
for the meantime.
I need your help.
Okay.
Help me beg my girl, please.
Okay.
Help me beg her. Okay, I'm sure she will listen to you. Tell her it's just a prank and a surprise I wanted to. You know how we do this over there.
Okay.
And ladies, they love these type of things. Just help me beg her. I need my woman back, okay? I need Kamara back.
It's okay now. That's a small thing. What are friends for? Okay, I will talk to her. I will talk to her on your behalf.
Thanks,
You get
man.
me? I won't take her out to make her understand that you love her so much. I told you just a prank. You go back to her. But next time don't prank her again. She doesn't like prank.
It's frustrating. It's just a surprise.
Aye.
What are you doing in my house? I told you never to show your ugly self again.
Kamara, calm down. I never wished to be here, but if only you can calm down and listen to me.
Listen to what? Calm down and listen to what? Your jargons. You know what? You are such a wicked human. You are aware that Nelson and I are together. Yes,
I was never aware of it. That is why I'm here. I was never aware you guys were dating. Listen, Nelson is my best friend. I know. But we lost communication a very long time ago. 10 years, we weren't talking. We just started talking 2 months ago. All this thing that just happened is a pure coincidence. And
what? What?
Des, can you just calm down and listen to me? You're overreacting and it's not good for you. It is not good for your beautiful face. Honestly speaking, this may sound so stupid and abnormal, but sincerely, Kamara, I enjoyed what we had the last time.
Another coincidence. My best friend is in love with you. You are a lover. Now let me sound this clear to you. I am never going to break up with Nelson simply because of what you and I had 2 nights ago. I am madly obsessed with Nelson. Get that into your dumb skull and get out of my house. Out!
You're just too beautiful. I can't stop thinking about you. I wish you can slap me more. I pray to Almighty God that I forget about that wrong night. See you later, baby.
On this fateful night, when the night was cold, when it seems there was no hope for me to have your warm embrace, oh my sugar. Ooh.
You have to finish your drink.
baby, I'm okay.
Take
I'm
now.
okay.
That's my
Okay.
girl.
It's okay. See, don't worry about my friend. She will definitely forgive her man. Yes, she will forgive him. Today or tomorrow, they will settle. Just cheer up, alright?
I'm calm. I pray so.
Yeah.
Alright, I want them to come back together again.
They will. They will. I know my friend very well. But tell me, how do you know
Nelson.
Nelson? Thank you. How do you know him?
Nelson, my bosom friend. We attended the same secondary school. We were best friends. Up to date, we are still best friends. You know, we shared the same desk. He used to come to my house after school, and in return, I do go to his house too. We are 5 and 6. Then after secondary school, Nelson traveled abroad to further his education. He joined the US military, and then we lost communication. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. So how come you never showed me the picture of your friend Kamara?
Because I knew you were going to come to Lagos. And when you do, I'll definitely introduce her to you.
Okay. Interesting.
Honestly, baby, I think I'm tipsy.
You think you're tipsy or you are tipsy?
I think. Okay.
Easy, baby. Oh! Hey, now you're tipsy.
Sorry.
Yeah, now you are tipsy.
Sorry.
That's my girl.
It's painful.
What kind of snoring is this? The snoring is not even romantic. A cake snoring.
Baby, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, okay? If you ask me to leave your house, I'll go back to my hotel, pick my gun, and I'll kill myself. You are everything to me, baby. And I love you so much. I can't live without you. Please. Just forgive me, okay? I will not test you again, I promise. Please. Please.
Get up. I missed you.
I missed you too. So much. I missed you so much. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, babe. Okay.
It's okay. I'm sorry that I left my phone at home. I needed to go somewhere to get my mind off it.
It's okay, baby. Let's keep everything behind us. I'm here now. One step at a time. One step at a time. One step. Oh, go down now. Go down. Okay. Good. Yes. Keep going. Don't open your eyes. Don't. No cheating.
I'm not cheating.
Hold on. One step. One more. Good. Right there.
All right.
Don't open your eyes yet until I say so. Close it. Close it. One second. One second. All right. Open your eyes.
Oh, babe. Oh. Aww.
Kamara.
Yes.
Will you marry me?
Of course. Thank you.
It's all yours.
Mine? Oh my God! This is beautiful, baby. Oh my God! Oh! Congratulations, babes.
Babe, I am a car.
I know. That's our car right there. Nelson, congratulations. That's my girl. Oh, baby. This is beautiful. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much.
Thank you for choosing me, babe.
Thank you for choosing me as well. Thank you.
The most beautiful. I have something for you. You left this at my place that precious night.
Not so fast. Not so fast, my dear.
Thank you. Thank you for returning it. Now, please, can I have it back?
Hey, calm down. Look at your eyes. Charming. Camera, I can't stop thinking about you. I have tried countless times, but it is not working. You're in my head, my whole body. Everywhere I go, I think about you. I want you. The more I try to forget about you, the more worse it becomes.
Samson.
Kamara.
I am getting married soon. I am getting married to your best friend. Listen to me. Whatever happened between you and I was never meant to happen. I was drunk and vulnerable and you took advantage of it. Please, I do not have a space in my heart. Why don't you concentrate on my best friend? Give her all the love she deserves. She loves you.
That is my problem. I cannot concentrate with her. It is you I want. Can't you see? I don't even know how you do this. Every reaction, every body movement of yours melts my heart. It makes me go crazy, babe. It is you I love. It is you I want to spend the rest of my life.
Samson, I am not in love with you. Can you not say it? You do not have a space in my heart. I am in love with Nelson. Kill it. You and I can never be. Please just get off my neck.
Why are you doing this to me? Why? Listen, it is you I love. I can never concentrate without thinking about you. Just hold my hands. Just show me love.
You are such a psycho.
Please, I love you so much.
You are a psycho.
Oh my goodness, why is she doing this to me? Huh? Why? Just a night and then I'm madly in love with this girl. What is going on? Oh my precious. Kamara! Oh my God. What am I doing? What am I doing? Is this right? Okay, come and have it. Oh my God. Your G-string. It's so sweet. Oh my God. Kamara! I'm madly in love with you, please. Nelson, you have to understand me. It's not my fault. I'm madly in love with this girl. All right, I'm going. See you some other time, baby. Yeah, that reminds me. Samantha, you said you wanted to discuss something with me.
Yes, my love.
I'm all ears.
Can you pull over so we can talk? Please. Thank you, baby. Babe, the thing is, I don't like how you handle me on bed. You are being too rough and hard on me. It's making me not to enjoy when we are together. It should be a pleasurable thing, not a war.
It's a war. So is it because of this thing you asked me to pull over? You must know it is a war because you don't know anything. You're just tall and useless. How will I be making love to you? Your man will be making love to you. The only thing you can offer is to open your mouth and be say, Are you a bird?
Oh, babe, I am.
Shut up! You're enjoying what? What do you think you're enjoying? What about me? Do I enjoy it?
After I come, the next thing you go and watch Netflix. You don't even care if I enjoyed it or not. I'll spank your ass, you'll be shouting. Just small drink, you start misbehaving. You don't even know how to make a man happy. And you ask me to pull over.
I'm sorry, I am trying my best. And I don't even know. I don't know where all this is coming from.
Listen, I've not even talked about that snow. That one pissed me off. You don't know how to make love as a woman. You don't know how to cook very well. The worst part is that you snore. You snore so bad like an elephant.
Baby, you're the first man that is saying that.
I'll be the first and the last man because I am truthful. You snore so bad like
No, Samson, what is all this now? Why are you insulting me? Why are you bad-mouthing me just because I'm inside your car?
What do you mean I'm bad-mouthing?
If it's like that, please, I want to go down. Please.
Oh, it has got to the point where you raise your voice at me. In my own car? You want to go down? You're going down. No? You are going down right now. Look at this girl. You think I'm joking with you? Huh? You think I will beg you? Beg you for what? My friend, come down from my car.
What is your problem? Samson, what are you...
Come down from my car. Come down.
Samson.
Out.
Samson, are you being... Samson! Are you being serious?
Don't call me again on the phone. Anima, look at this one. Why did they come down from your car? Let's go down. Get out!
Samson!
Get out! Hey, if you near my car, I will roll you over. Get out!
Samson! What? Samson! Samson! How can you do this to me? What kind of thing is this? Samson!
Samantha, it is okay. You have cried enough.
Babe, you don't understand. You don't understand. This guy literally left me there, stranded. I was thinking he could maybe reverse, but no, he never did that. What did I do? What have I done to deserve all this from men? Why are they treating me like this? What did I do?
Babe, you did nothing wrong, okay? You are beautiful. You are more than enough. It is okay, please.
I don't understand.
Sweetheart.
Kamara, you don't.
I do understand.
This guy do not love me. He doesn't. He pounced on me as if I am nothing. He pounced on me in the name of lovemaking. Who does that? Who does that? Just last night, if you see the way he was dragging my hair as if I'm a thing to him. Why is he treating me like that? Why?
You did absolutely nothing. Sweetheart, you deserve better. And you do not deserve the ill treatment he meted on you.
You know, I don't know, Kamara. I don't know what else to do. I am tired. I don't know. This is too much for me. It's too much for me. I deserve better. Am I not beautiful enough?
Sweetheart,
am I not?
You are beautiful. You're very pretty. Samantha, listen, I promise you, I am going to talk to my fiancé. He will talk to him, okay? He will talk some senses into him, and I promise you he will stop whatever nonsense he's been doing to you. I promise.
I don't understand.
You are not a porn star, so why would he do all of those to you? Why?
I don't know. I don't know what I did wrong to deserve all this from men. Why? Why me?
Sweetheart, you did nothing wrong, okay? You know, some men are actually beasts. Maybe he's one of them. He's one of those beasts you can't possibly tame. Maybe he's one of them. But I promise you, my fiancé will talk to him. It's okay. My friend is not a porn star.
Yes, I am not a porn star.
Exactly.
I am not.
Guy, forget it. Just forget that matter.
But maybe there's a lot I need to catch up on because I know back in the days you're okay with cool girls. What happened? Why the rough ones now?
My brother, I tested the rough ones. I tested this rough girl more. The rough ones are so sweet. You know what I'm talking about now. When you're making love to a girl, the girl has to react. Mourn, scream, even if she's faking it, at least let her do something.
My girl will never fake hers.
I know.
You say?
Yeah, like I know your woman. She doesn't look fake. Yeah, like a real girl she be.
Yeah. Listen, the energy you are introducing to Samantha is new to her. You need to take it easy with her. Perhaps she will adapt.
Adapt when? Nelson, you know you cannot learn using the left hand at your old age. I have tried all my best to make her understand that girl is just nonsense.
I think what is happening is that your sexual libido is high. Understandable. Your energy it's high. But I advise you to be patient with her and bring her in. Iron sharpen iron, right? Keke no dey push trailer, on a trailer they push trailer. So what you need to do is to teach her those things you want to get out of her sexually, and then be patient. She will learn.
I don't have time for all those things now. I don't get time for all those things. You see how that girl is? Very tall, sexy, fine girl, has big boobs. You would think that girl is bad on bed. That girl is worse. Nothing. Imagine I'll be making love to this girl. The only thing that she'll be doing is,
do you have any other problem aside this one?
I don't have time to be teaching that girl anything. No. I don't get time for that one at all. Let her just go. I don't even want her again. Let me go for the rough ones.
Bro, I think I'm short of advice. Because these things I'm not used to it, Please, let's go to that place. It's quite
Where
late.
you want to go again now? You got an ATM?
Yeah, I have it. It's okay.
Samson, I am warning you for the last time. Leave my house, leave me alone and my relationship. You cannot have me.
I don't want to leave. All I want is you. I want you to be with me. I want us to share that memory we had the last time. I want you on my bed. I want you to scream my name just the way you did the last time. Can't you see I can't do without you, baby?
You cannot and will never have me. Now, how many times do you need me to say it? I have said it 1,000 times that whatever happened between you and I was simply because I was drenched in alcohol. You took advantage of a vulnerable lady.
But then your G-string is still in my room. Anytime I see that G-string, it gives me memories of what we shared, of what we had. I can't forget that awesome experience, my love. Listen, can't you see I love you so much? Can't you see I can't do without you? Can't you see you are turning me on? I want you to come bang me. I want you to come give it to me just the way you did it the last time. I am madly in love with you. What else do you want me to do? What else do you want me to explain myself?
You are sick in the head.
Yes, I am sick because I am in love with you. I am in love with you. I am madly in love with you. I am sick.
Now listen to me. Whatever happened that night, I am not aware. My memory was blank and it is still blank. I have no idea of what you're talking about. Absolutely no idea.
You can't tell me that, baby. You enjoyed it. Yes, you enjoyed it. You are on top of me. You are giving me, you are banging me, you are screaming my name, you are rubbing me on my head, you are doing also. You will shot me. What is it?
Get out of my house! Get out! What? Get...
You had sex with my woman 3 times on your bed.
Nelson.
Sugar.
Listen, Nelson. It is what it is. Yes. I mean, she can't deny it. I love her so much and she's the one for me. I love her. It is what it is.
Sugar, listen to me. I can...
What is it? Are you okay?
Fine,
fine. It's just a dream.
It's okay, it's just a dream.
Aye.
Come back to bed, okay? Come. It's just... Sorry, okay? It's just a dream. I'm here. It's just a dream.
Don't even touch me. Hey, don't touch me, please. I'm upset.
Baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I promise I'll do better next time.
What do you mean you will do better next time? Huh? What do you mean you will do better? You don't have it, you don't have it. You don't know how to do it, you don't know how to do it.
Baby, you're right. I know I don't have it. I know I don't know it, but I promise to learn it.
Oh my goodness. Listen, my problem is not even about you knowing how to open your legs for me or make love to me properly. My major concern now is your snoring habit. You snore so bad. You don't even snore like a normal human being. You snore like an elephant. What is wrong with you? Huh? Can't you fix it?
Maybe nothing is wrong with me. But believe me, you're the first man that is saying I snore.
Because I genuinely love you. Because I care about you. Your exes left you because they can't tell you the truth. You snore so bad, my dear. You don't know how to sleep at all.
Baby, just calm down. I promise I will look for a way to control it. I'll control it. I'll take care of it. I'll look for something. I'll ask Google. I will do something to control it, please. I don't want us to keep fighting over this. I am sorry. I am sorry. But if you ask me, I will say it's nature. Nobody...
Will you just shut up about what do you mean it's nature? No, what do you mean it's natural? Do I snore? Huh? You have been staying with me in this house for God knows how long. Have I ever snored before?
No.
What is your problem?
Nothing.
People change their dark skin to light skin. People do hips. They fix their boobs. They do surgery. They change things. Why can't you learn? Why can't you change your snoring habits? That is my problem with you. Why can't you do that for me if you love me? You snore every day.
I don't even know that.
Shut up! I'm not done talking. If I take you somewhere and my friends are there and you probably sleep off, what will happen? You start snoring, disgracing me.
I'm sorry.
My friend, will you just shut up your mouth? You should learn how to sleep properly and fix how you snore.
Baby, I'll fix it. Just come.
Please just get lost. Talk for nothing. You snore every time.
Father, in the name of Jesus, I come against every spirit of sleeping and snoring. I come against it. Father, any spirit that is making me not to mourn for my man, any spirit that is making me not to change styles for my man, any spirit that is making me, oh God, I come against, oh God, I know it's a sin, but this is my new relationship. I don't want you to scatter it. Father, please help me. Come and teach me new styles. Come and teach me how to mourn so that if he spark my bum bum, I will shout, I will mourn. Oh God, I come against it in the name of Jesus. Every spirit of sleeping and snoring. Lord, my Lord and my God, you said we should always talk to you. Lord, I am here talking to you.
Hey, will you just shut up your stinking mouth? Praying or joking?
Maybe I'm praying now. I'm praying. How can you say I'm joking?
You're praying. What are you? Do you think God is your mate? You're praying to God to teach you how to mourn, how to open your leg for your man, how to change style. Are you mad?
Maybe the Bible said we should always talk to God in anything we want. We should tell God anything we want. And please allow me to talk to my God.
I knew it.
Baby, no, you don't know anything.
You're just big for nothing. Eh? A clown praying to God so God will teach you how to mourn. Can you imagine?
You don't understand. I don't want anything.
Don't just disturb me with that nonsense thing you're doing and you call it. Don't disturb me with that. If you want to pray, go to the bedroom and pray.
Father, please.
and teach me how to mourn. Teach me the new style so that anyhow my guy touches me, I will respond.
Come on!
Baby!
Shut up! Big for nothing! Clown! Ashiba?
Oh God, I come against it. Every spirit of sleeping and snoring, I come against it in the name of Jesus.
Bro, how far with you and your babe now?
My brother, same old story. Oh. Nothing is new. I don't tire for that girl.
Oh, bro, come on, don't talk like that. Don't discard that girl. She's a good girl.
A good girl. Imagine that girl was praying to God the other day, so God can show her the new styles, so God can teach her how to mourn. You there for that?
I'm sorry I'm laughing.
Laugh.
Who makes such prayers?
She, Samantha, very stupid girl. After the prayers, guess what? She came to the bed now, and then when we started making out, started crying that I want to kill her, that she can't bear it anymore. What kind of girl is that? The girl is just too local for my liking.
But you need to take it easy on that girl. You two of you will still blend.
Nelson, I see no future with that girl.
Don't say that.
I see no future with her. Let her just go, please.
I don't like the way you sound. Just relax, take it easy with her. Meanwhile, tomorrow we'll go and check that fashion designer for materials for this suit.
Okay, your suit, right?
Yes.
For your wedding preparation.
Tomorrow, please.
Yeah, tomorrow. No, what time? What time again?
Early as 6, 7.
I'm going to the America. Which one? 6, 7?
Oh, sorry, bro.
12 noon.
That's what they do over here?
Yeah, so we don't keep to time in Nigeria.
That's a good one.
It's a good one.
Hello. Excuse me.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. Sorry, I'm in a relationship. I don't have time for it.
At least let me know your name. Okay? Your man must be...
I am Miss No Name.
Miss No Name?
Yes.
Oh, fine. Very nice name. So, can we, can I have your number? Maybe we'll talk later.
So this is how you people go about deceiving people. And after that, you use them and dump them, right?
I'm not like them.
You're not like them?
Yes, I'm a very different man.
I am engaged.
You're engaged?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Fake lady.
Your man must love you to...
Excuse me. Babe, you will not understand. Babe, I am trying my best. Babe, something is too rough on bed. Honestly, you need to see the stripes on my ass. Ouch. Oh. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine. Yes, babe. You need to see the stripes he gave me on my ass. That's what he wants. I am trying to fit in, but it's not working for me. Yes, that's the only problem I have with him now. Nothing more. Babe, I beg, it's okay. What's up?
Babe, I am not fine. I'm not. But not to worry. I'll snap out. Don't worry your pretty head. I said I will snap out of the mood, okay? Nelson, he's upstairs. He's in the bedroom. He's on the phone with his boss. I will have to call you back. Yes, please.
Beautiful girl.
Nelson is upstairs. Let me go get him.
I'm here to see you.
Please, you and I cannot discuss anything here, okay? Nelson is upstairs. Let me go get him.
Hey.
Quit acting like a psycho.
I want to see you in my house tonight. Samantha is going to her place.
Over my dead body.
Really? Then I think it's high time I start burning the bridges and face the consequences.
Hey, listen to me. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Right?
Do you want to marry me?
8 p.m. tonight. I want to see you in my house. Don't waste my time. "8 p.m. tonight. Don't waste my time." 8 p.m.
Get off me.
Don't waste my time.
Get. Hi, babe. Hi.
You look tensed.
Tensed? I am fine. What?
I thought I heard you talking to someone.
Oh, yes. I was on the phone with Samantha. And she sent her regards.
Babe,
What?
sure you're good?
Do I look like I am not good? What?
Come, I want to show you something. Come.
So,
I want to show you something.
okay.
Baby. Baby.
I can hear you. What is it?
Baby. Babe, please. Please don't break my heart. Baby, I've come to love you. Please don't hurt me.
Can you just stop talking all this thing and go straight to the point?
Okay. No problem. Come and drop me. I'm leaving.
Drop you where? I don't have fuel in my car.
Baby. Baby, but you bought fuel the other day that we stopped at the fuel station.
My fuel has finished.
No problem. I will refill your fuel for you. Let's go.
What is your problem? Can't you take your time? It's late. And you know my headlight is bad. I can't drive at night. Call Oga Benji now to pick you up and drop you. Is he not your cab man again? Must I drop you off? Little things like this that you can fix, you'll be stressing me.
No problem. It's okay. Come and see me off.
Ha! Call him, call him on the phone, let him come pick you up, please. I don't have time. Can't wait for you there more than a minute.
Babe, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. I was on the phone with Samantha. She just got off the phone now. And she was crying. I think I should go see her.
Alright, is everything okay?
I don't know. I don't know. I can't tell. I can't tell. I've never heard her cry on the phone.
You can go see her. Don't worry about me. I'll sort out the food myself, okay?
Okay, let me quickly make the bed. Then I'll be on my way.
Are you sure you're okay?
Yes, I'm fine, but I'm worried. I wonder why she's crying.
Yeah, 1 second.
Hi, Nancy. Good evening.
Hi. I thought you were supposed to see my fiancée this night.
This night?
Yes, she said you called, you sounded so urgent, you said it was an emergency, and that you were even crying.
Oh, yes, you're absolutely. Is she in?
She's supposed to be at your place.
Okay, let me quickly rush off.
Is everything okay? You look lost.
I'm fine. I'm okay. Let me just rush to my friend. Thank you. Bye.
Do I have to see you in your house?
Yes. And that's because I want you.
You need to stop this. For your own good. You really need to.
Kamara, what don't you understand? You are a pandemic to my life. I can't concentrate without you. I think about you every single day of my life. The truth is, I get freaky jealous anytime I see you and Nelson together. I get mad, anger. I don't know, I just want you to be my and my alone.
I had a dream that Nelson found out about this madness and he shot at you.
Well, if I must die to prove to you that it is you I love and I want to spend the rest of my life with you, then let me die.
He shot at me as well, you dumb psycho. And I care about my life. Your girlfriend is calling. Hello, Samantha.
Babe, I don't understand. When did you start lying with my name? Why this sudden change of attitude? Why are you doing all this to yourself? What's going on? You're even lying to your own man, the man that you love so much. What's happening? To what extent you said I called and I was crying. Meanwhile, you never deemed to call me so I can cover up for you.
I'm sorry I didn't tell you. Gosh, I wasn't thinking. I wasn't thinking straight. I'm so sorry. Babe, I hope you didn't goof. Oh, thank God. You know what? I'll call you back, please. I'm in the middle of something. I'll call you back. I am not fine, but I can handle it, okay?
Who is this stupid man?
She went to your house.
Yes, she did. Samson, you are killing me. I am losing it. I'm getting disorganized. I'm beginning to go. Can't you see it?
Listen. I will leave you soon. I will travel to Abuja immediately after your wedding with Nelson. I just want you tonight. I want your body sleeping on my bed.
I am your best friend's fiancé. Can't you get it? Don't you get it, you dumb psycho?
Can't you get it as well? Can't you see that I am losing my mind? Can't you see that you are my cure, you are my medicine? I cannot think without you. I need you. I need you in my life. It is you I want.
And I do not have your antidote. I do not have your medicine, you dumb psycho.
Oga Benji, come and take me out of this place now. What kind of nonsense is this? Please, fast. Can you imagine? What kind of stupid man is this? Why will this number not be going? Somebody that dropped me here now. Why is he behaving like that? Oh.
I know you.
You know me from where?
Miss Nonem, what are you doing here by this time of the night?
Mister, it's none of your business.
Look, this zone is a very dangerous place. It's not safe for you. Please come, let me check you out of this place.
Oga, please excuse me. I'm waiting for somebody to come.
You are waiting for someone to come?
Why is this man? Why is this number not going
Let me tell you something. Armed robbers robbed this street. And a girl was shot dead.
Huh?
Yes! Just come inside, let me take you out of this place, please. It's not good for you. Come inside.
Don't dare me.
You want to kill me? You want to hurt the father of your unborn child? Huh? Or you want to stab yourself to death and destroy the generation of yourself and the unborn child? Come on. Why this childish mentality? You are carrying my seed.
You do not have any seed inside of me. I am not pregnant.
Take it easy. Okay, fine. Let's do it this way. I just want you tonight. All right? After tonight, I promise you, I will never in my life disturb you again. I promise you that. I just want your body close to mine. Is it a crime to fall in love? Is it a crime to admire this wonderful creature by God? Just tonight. After tonight, if I disturb you again, then call me a liar.
It is high time I told Nelson about this. It is high time I told him.
You don't know this Nelson in particular. Huh? You want to tell Nelson about everything we shared? You're funny. Listen, Nelson will kill you. Nelson will kill us. Before you say sorry to him, you'll be dead. I know my friend too well. He's short-tempered. Have you forgotten we are childhood friends?
And you want to sleep with your childhood friend's fiancé? Are you out of your mind? Are you doing this to me? Are you doing this to me, Samson? What are you doing to me? Why are you doing this? I curse you! I curse the night I met you! The club, the drink! I curse everything. I curse the car which took me to the club. I'm losing myself. Release me.
I beg you to, baby.
I'm losing myself.
I am losing my mind as well. Can't you see? I can barely concentrate. All I think about is you.
Oh, God.
You're in my head, you're in my heart, you are everywhere in my body. Listen, just this night, okay? Just this night and everything will be over. I promise you that I will never disturb you again. In fact, I will leave and travel abroad and the child can be Nelson's own. I don't care. Please, just do this for me. Do this for us. You are killing me. Your beauty is killing me. Please.
God. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this?
Baby. Even on this stage, you're still beautiful.
Why are you doing this?
You'll be fine, baby. You'll be fine.
Thank you so very much for the ride. I really appreciate.
You're welcome.
All right.
Wait. Can you tell me your name, at least?
My name is Samantha, but you can call me Sam.
Samantha?
Yep.
Okay, I'm Joe by name.
Nice to meet you.
You're welcome. So what about we going out on a date tomorrow? How is your schedule like?
I wish I can, but I have a boyfriend. I'm in a relationship.
Okay. This is my card. You can call me anytime you want. Don't say no, please.
All right.
Thank you.
Just drive safe.
Okay. Good night.
Good night.
I never knew it would be like this. Such a twist, so sad but true. Living in my head, making me a shadow of myself. Ooh, am I dreaming? Am I dreaming? Somebody wake me up and tell me it's not real. Ooh, am I dreaming? Am I dreaming? Somebody wake me up and tell me it's not real.
Nelson, I don't know what you're talking about.
Kamara, I am asking you for the last time. Where did you go to last night? And who was the man you went to see?
Nelson, and I'll keep saying it. I didn't go to see any man. There was no man. There is no man. There was no man.
You will not lie to me.
I am not lying to you. I can't possibly lie to you, babe.
Do not lie to me. Who is the man you went to see? After lying that you wanted to go and see Samantha, but you went to see a man. Who is that man? Answer me now.
Babe, there is no man. I actually went to see Samantha, and when I called her, she said she was... Ah! What are you possibly doing with a gun? Babe, put it down. I am not lying.
You're pregnant. I'm sure you recognize this because I do. You're sleeping with Samson, my friend, and you're lying to me about it. Of course I know everything because he showed this to me as evidence.
I will explain everything. I can explain. I can explain. Please, I will explain. I will explain from the top to the bottom. It is not what you think. I actually...
Samson is in hell already.
Don't do this.
You join him there.
Please don't do it.
Don't continue your rubbish.
You baby.
Eva, are you okay?
I'm fine.
You sure?
Yes, I am.
Come back to bed, okay? Come. Hey, lie down. It's just a dream, okay? Hmm?
You have to chill, relax, everything will be fine.
Everything will be fine?
Yes, you're stressing yourself over nothing.
You don't understand. This is becoming constant. She jerks up in the middle of the night screaming. And when I ask her, she said she's fine, nothing.
Wait, have you actually asked her what is wrong with her?
I don't know. But what I do know is that my woman has changed. She has become more apprehensive these days. She gets lost in the middle of conversations. Like, I don't know what's going on. My problem is, let her tell me. But she has refused to open up.
Okay, you know, she's your woman, right? You guys stay together. You understand her better. Have you thought of anything? Like, if she's hiding something from you, did she do anything like creepy and you're suspecting her? Maybe that's why she's not telling you everything.
Kamara is not that kind of woman. But even if she did something, she should just open up to me.
Right.
Our wedding is by the corner. Of course, I will forgive her. Whatever it is.
Okay. What if she, cheated on you mistakenly, since you've not been in the country? Will you still forgive her?
Of course I will forgive her.
Right.
Come, what are you saying? This is my woman. What she had with that person is probably sex. Sex. And that's what it is. What we have is different. I see my wife in her, my sister in her, my lover.
That's true.
I will forgive
That's
her.
true.
Our wedding is by the corner. You're telling me if I will not forgive.
Look, just calm down. All right, calm down. Don't get yourself worked up. All right. I believe she loves you. In fact, she loves you so much, and I know you love her in return. All right, everything will be fine.
I just wish she could just open up to me. Bro.
She will. Just take it easy. Take it easy. Soldier man, take it easy.
Is he cheating on me? What is this?
Samantha. Samantha.
Baby. Are you back?
So it has gotten to this extent. You come to my house without calling me on the phone. Is that so?
I'm sorry, my love. It skipped my mind. I'm sorry.
What do you mean it skipped your mind? Are you a baby? What sort of flimsy excuse is that?
Babe, are you cheating on me?
Is that supposed to be a question or what?
Because I don't understand why you're shouting at me just because I came to your house without calling you.
See, one thing I don't like about you? You can't even say sorry. No matter that every girl do, you can't say sorry. Don't you know sorry has a way of making a man feel happy? The only thing you know how to do is argue, snore, make noise and all that. That's all. How dare you come to my house and start calling me? And you're talking nonsense. Don't try this next time again. I've told you, next time you come to my house, you call me on the phone. Excuse me.
So this is it. Babes, there is nothing anyone will tell me. That guy is cheating on me. Yes, that guy is insane. Babes, I saw a red G-string under his pillow. And you and I know I don't wear G-strings. Yes, I hate G-string. I don't know why men are treating me like that. What have I done to deserve this? What are we even talking about here?
Did you say you found a red G-string under his pillow?
Yes, I saw it. I saw it with my 2 eyes. I saw it and he walked in, so I pretended as if I was sleeping. Next day, he took it away. Babes, honestly, I regret ever giving my body so cheaply to that monster. Yes, he is. You and I know how this guy used to call me. How he was calling me every now and then just to check up on me. And I can tell you for a fact that this guy is in this Lagos just because of me. So tell me, what is going on? What is going on? What is happening to me?
I will say you don't give up. At least not yet. Perhaps there is a good man somewhere around the corner waiting for you.
Babes, not everybody is as lucky as you are. Yes, you have Nelson. For how long do you expect me to date to get Mr. Right? How many am I going to date to get the right man?
Babes, who is counting? It doesn't really matter.
I don't know. How many should I date?
Nobody is counting, sweetheart. Just calm down.
Oh, it's fine. It's fine. I will be fine. I will be fine. I will. I will be fine. I'm a strong girl, you know. I'll be fine.
Yes, you are. I would suggest you
I break up with him, right?
No, not at all. That's not what I'm about to say. I mean, I would suggest you spice up your sex life.
Hi, baby.
Wow. Hi. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You are looking beautiful. Please give me a hug, baby.
Oh, baby.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You are looking so beautiful.
Thank you.
You are heaven.
Aw, I'm blushing.
Oh, glad.
Let's go.
Oh, please let me bring you back.
Are you serious?
Of course.
Aw.
Oh, please sit.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
I told you I do not have all day.
I said come back here. Where do you think you're going? I can stop when I'm talking to you. Where do you think you're going?
What are you still doing with my undies? I thought you said you had trashed it.
Babe, listen to me. I just want you to calm down and listen to me.
Samson, you are hurting my friend. You are hurting everyone. Can you not see it?
Kamara, why am I having these feelings that you want to abort the pregnancy?
It is my decision to make.
Really?
Oh yes! You gave me your words. You promised to stay away from me. You promised. What is this? What do you still want from me?
You want to know what I want?
God.
Alright.
Lord.
Kamara, I want you on my bed tonight. I want to have your body all by myself. I want to lick you up. I want us to make sweet love. That is what I want.
On this fateful night,
go to hell.
When the night was cold, when it seems there was no hope for me to.
Kamara, don't mess with me. You know what I can do. Tonight.
When in the arms of fate, looking forward for a lovely race, just for you and I, standing tall against all odds. Ooh. I never knew it would be like this. Such a twist, so sad but true. Living in my head, making me a shadow of myself. Ooh, am I dreaming? Am I dreaming? Somebody wake me up. Oh, and tell me it's not real. Oh, am I dreaming? Oh, am I dreaming? Oh, somebody wake me up. Oh, and tell me it's not real. Oh. I feel like saying something, but I'm lost in words and in my guilt, knowing that the truth before me might be my end. Ooh, I cursed the night. Yeah.
Hey babe, welcome.
Hi, babe. I am knackered.
Oh. Honey, what happened? You didn't see your designer?
I did, but she gave me another appointment for 8. Babe, please, I need to go get some rest, okay?
Okay. What is wrong with her?
What? I'm shy.
Why?
I don't know. Everything just happened so fast. I can't believe I'm on this bed with you.
Look, baby. Look. You are so beautiful. And I love you so much. I want to cherish you with my whole life.
I've been hearing this countless times. Yeah, you're not the first man saying this. And I know how it ended up, so please.
Watch me cherish it. I am not like them. And I promise to prove it.
You think you're smart, but unfortunately, I am way smarter than you. Now listen, this should be your very first and last time you try this nonsense you just did. The next time you try this, I will send your naked pictures to Nelson, his family members, And everybody that knows both of you. I'm not kidding. You don't know why they call me Samson.
You're a monster. You deserve nothing but death. You're a monster!
And guess what? You are not aborting that pregnancy. You're keeping it for me.
Never.
Don't try this next time.
Baby? You're not sleeping?
Me?
Yes. If you were sleeping, you wouldn't have replied me immediately. What is it? Go ahead, say something.
I have a bad sleeping position.
Bad sleeping position. I don't understand. You do hang your legs in the air while sleeping?
Not that. That's not it.
So what is it?
I do snore when I'm sleeping. My ex said I snore like an elephant while sleeping, and it gets him very angry.
Only snore? Look, whether you snore like elephant or not, I love you so much. And I want you to enjoy your sleep. Snore this whole roof down. I will fix it tomorrow morning.
You mean you don't have a problem with that?
Why will I have a problem with that? My dear, it's your sleep. Enjoy your sleep. Besides, they say when sleep gets interesting, you snore it out. I believe that's what you are doing.
Joe, where have you been?
I have been here.
See, baby. I want you to always tell me whenever I'm wrong. Tell me so I can change.
My dear, you have no wrongs. Even if you do, you are human. And we are not 100% perfect.
Are you for real?
I'm for real, baby.
So, you mean to say you don't like rough sex?
Are we fighting? We are not. I love it when both of us are comfortable and satisfied. Besides, I love slow and calm love making. Just the way you have been giving it to me. Look, I don't want us to be talking about this topic here. Please, you need to sleep now.
You are the man.
You're welcome. Sleep, my baby. Cool.
don't like the meal?
Did you cheat on me?
Babe. Never, never. I would never do a thing like that. And why would you even think of such?
You're behaving abnormal these days. You become easily apprehensive. And you're making me have this notion in my head. And sweetheart, I love you. And I'm ready to make you my wife. Our marriage is in a week's time. Even if you fell short while I was away, so long as you don't go back to it, I will forgive you.
Just hold a sec. Let me digest this tale very well. The night you slept out, right? You went to a club. You get yourself drunk and a random guy picked you up and you both had sex. Are you saying that the guy is blackmailing you now?
And
talk to me, and what?
And he found out that I am pregnant for him.
What? Kamara, what did you just say? You are pregnant for someone you don't know?
I'm confused. I don't know what to do. I am not thinking straight anymore. Secondly, Nelson is way too smart. Sooner or later, he's going to find out about this pregnancy. So I need you to help me. I wasn't thinking. I was going mad that night. Besides, it is not my fault. It wasn't my fault in any way. What silly prank was that?
What? No, just listen to yourself. That he pranked you doesn't mean you should go to the club and drink yourself to stupor. That you allowed a man you don't know to sleep with you. Not to even, to crown it all, you're pregnant for him. He never said you should leave the house. He never said you should keep your phone out of your reach. What are you even saying?
Samantha, I said I was going insane that night. All I needed was distraction. I needed to be amongst people. I just needed to take my head off what Nelson did to me.
I have a house. I have places we could actually go.
What are you even saying? Anytime I have problem, I come to you. What stops you from coming to me? When I had issues with Chris, I stayed in your home for 3 months. 3 good months, nursing my pain. I had problem with Richard. Same thing happened. What are you saying? I always run back to you. You are my shelter. Kamara, what is wrong with you? Everything in this house will bear me witness that this is where I get healing.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. The truth is, I wasn't thinking any of those. None of them occurred to me. I was sober. All I want from you now is to tell me what to do just so I can have this guy off my neck.
It's fine. How do we deal with this guy now?
I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Tell me what to do, please.
What do you know about him? Like his house address, office address? Do you have anything about him? Do you remember anything?
Samantha, please, skip that part. Just skip it. Tell me what to do. Tell me. I am broken already. I can't think, so you tell me what to do.
But that's what I am trying to do. You need to tell me anything you remember about this guy so we can actually negotiate with him and pay him once and for all.
This is yours. And then, as you can see, I have deleted every nude photos and videos of you in my phone. That's to show you that I don't need your money.
Thank you.
One more thing before I leave. Please. I don't want you to get rid of your pregnancy. I won't support it.
And what if he finds out?
But you both make love, right?
With protection. Unlike you. For Christ's sakes, how do I explain this? I will do it. And I must. I won't let any ugly seed of yours growing in my home.
They say truth is life and my truth is my death. I'm in a dilemma. Somebody save me now. I'm in a crossroad now. Don't know what to do. Where to go. Or what to run to.
God help me. Help me.
Am I dreaming?
Help me.
Somebody wake me up.
You said you wanted to see me. Can you start talking?
Samson, try and be gentle sometimes. Well, I don't need a soothsayer to tell me that this relationship ended a long time ago.
So? Wait, is that why you came to my house to say this nonsense?
Samson, I know everything. Yes, I know you've been cheating on me. I saw the bondage, the red G-string. I saw it. But that's none of my business at all. It's not. I needed an evidence and I got it.
Samantha, can you just go straight to the point and stop beating around the bush? Samantha, what do you mean by all these things you're saying?
Okay. I am here to let you know that you and I are done. We are over. And I also want to officially invite you to my wedding. You are invited.
You're very funny. You're a clown. So you think this will move me? Huh? You think this will make me apologize to you, or you think I want you back if you show me this nonsense? We are done. Alright? And I ended whatever we are having long time ago, if you don't know. You're laughing at your stupidity. Because I pity the man that will end up with this log of wood that cannot even do anything.
Really?
Yes, I pity that man.
Oh, sweetheart, I'm sorry. My husband. Yeah, my husband. The love of my life. He's so cute. Beautiful at heart. You are of no match to him at all.
I think this conversation is over. Samantha, turn your useless back and leave my house.
Oh, sorry, darling. I'm on my way already.
Will you get her before I match the living daylight out of you? Look at her. You're showing me a nonsense card. You think I'll apologize to you? Go there and suffer, my friend. Animal. Samantha, where's Joe? Joe must be a mechanic. Sending me nonsense thing, man. Stupid house. Thunder fire you. Fire you and your Joe, the idiots.
Let's go.
Okay.
Oh.
It's ready to tell. It's ready to tell.
What?
It's ready to tell.
What's up?
Line in.
No. So you bought all these things for yourself. Which one did you buy for me, madam? All these things.
Am I supposed to buy for you? You have too many clothes now.
Look at this one. Don't you have clothes?
I beg you. These are specially for my boo.
Can you imagine?
Just for my boo alone. For his coming. Hey. By the time I rock all this ones for Nelson.
This one is like a baby's clothes.
But you know I love crop tops.
You should know that. Oh, this is my best.
I know, right?
Yes.
I know you will love this one in particular.
Hey, this woman. This woman. You and all this kind of panties.
Leave it for me. So long as my boyfriend likes things like this, I'm okay.
Who do you this thing?
But you know I love G-strings. You know. And Nelson loves them as well. The reason I have them in different colors. I've never had a red one, so I decided to get red for myself this time. And I'll be rocking it on the day you arrive.
Oh, please! This is my best, actually.
Right?
Yes. I like it.
Of course, pink is a girly color.
But...
No, don't you make no dey cry. Sorry. Eh? Na so life be. Na so it dey be.
No. How? Kamara, my best friend. How could she? I can't believe this. I find it very difficult to believe this. Kamara of all people. Kamara. Was this actually why she refused telling me about this person? God.
See, now make we dey talk. Nothing pass to open up. When you open up, person fit know how to help you. Let's say she open up now. If you not reach like this.
Right.
Sorry.
How? How can I comprehend this? How? Kamara, my bosom friend. My best friend.
Sorry. Don't hear. Sorry. Sorry, yeah. Sorry. May we read that side first. May we know how we do.
Nelson. Yeah, bro. What's up? You found something? Really? Okay, I'll be with you shortly. Let's just say 10 minutes, I'll be there.
right. God. Why is it sounding like someone that is heartbroken? You sounded so worried over the phone. I hope there's no problem.
Sit. Samson, sit down.
Kamara, is there a problem?
A girl is pregnant.
Wow. She's pregnant. Congrats. Congratulations to you guys. Wow, good news.
I know it's not mine. The question is, whose?
Nelson. It is.
She knows I always use protection whenever we're having sex. And we've had sex, how many? 3 times since I came to Nigeria. 3.
Yes. The thing is, Nelson, let me explain. You are not in the country. You don't know how things operate here, right? You just came back. You might be responsible for the pregnancy. You just have to take her to the hospital, then you confirm. You get.
Relax. I'm sure you have something to say, right? You want to explain?
Baby, I will explain, but you are scaring me with that.
I'm so sorry. Go ahead. I want to hear what you want to explain. Samson, let her explain. Come on.
Yes.
Just sit, relax, and hear her tell me who is responsible for the pregnancy.
Yes.
Because I really tried to ask what the problem is. I tried.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did, but...
Yeah, the thing is, Nelson, let's just go outside. Let's go out and hang out and, we can share some bottles of drink together and then we'll talk about this. You understand?
Sit. Go ahead. Explain.
Baby, I will explain. I can explain. Really? Seriously? Seriously? You want to explain? Are you sure you really want to do that? You want to explain how you've been sleeping with this thing right here, right?
Hey, what's the meaning of that? Huh? What nonsense are you talking about?
I don't even speak when I am talking. Remember I told you I had evidence. Alright.
Who saw this?
Nelson.
Samantha, you have to use your head at this point.
That's your girl.
Listen, Nelson, I have to go now, okay? This is not my business.
I know what kind of friend you are. Nelson. Hey, Nelson, listen to me. It was the same night you pranked me. I was sober. I was devastated. I didn't know what to do. I wasn't thinking straight. I needed some sort of distraction.
I begged you
Yes, you did.
to tell me what is going on, but you bluntly refused.
Yes, you did. I was drunk and vulnerable. He took advantage of me. He did. And they kept blackmailing me with it. I wanted to tell you, but I had a series of nightmares where you killed both of us. I was scared. I was scared to tell you. This is family.
Hey, come back here.
Sir? Nelson?
Sit.
I'm angry as you are. Let me just go.
You showed me the videos, right?
Yes, because I'm angry as you are.
Good.
I'm sorry.
Take it out with him.
Nelson,
somebody save me. I'm in a crossroad now. Don't know what to do.
Please.
You ruined my life. You betrayed me.
Please, no, I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it.
Go to hell.
Please.
To run to, yeah. Am I dreaming? Am I dreaming? Somebody wake me up and tell me it's not real. Am I dreaming? Am I dreaming? Somebody wake me up.
Hey, girlfriend. Surprise, surprise, surprise!
Wow.
My sweet, sweet girl. It's me. I'm here. Oh. Hey, meet my friend, my buddy, Samson. Samson? Kamara.
Kamara, wow. Wow. Nice to finally see you in person.
Babe?
Yeah, nice to meet you in person. You're so beautiful, I must say.
Yeah.
Honey, hey. I am so sorry, okay? I know you don't like being pranked, but I'm here now. Sorry about the prank last night.
So just
I'm here. Come here.
Come here, baby. You know I love you so much.
I love you.
Okay.
Nelson.
Shansa!
Yeah, I know.
Welcome back to the country.
I'm here to take orders from you now. So guys, please sit.
Alright. Well, let us go change up to something nice and let's go and celebrate. I mean, you're back to the country.
this fateful night, when the night was cold, when it seems there was no hope for me to have your warm embrace, oh my sugar. Ooh. When in the end the arms of fate, looking forward for a lovely race, just for you and I, standing tall against all